Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and confirming permissions so backups can run. This ensures Google can access contacts, photos, and settings. Once signed in, open Google Drive settings or the Google One app to start a backup job and make sure cellular data restrictions are set according to your plan. Choose the specific categories to include. This matters because excluding items now means they won't be recoverable later. Keep the device plugged in and on Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Once done with basic choices, you dig into options to control what and when Google backs up. Select automatic backups to capture changes regularly, or pick manual if you need precise control. Automatic is safer for ongoing protection. For photos, choose original quality when you need full resolution versus storage saver to conserve quota. Make sure to review included folders and app data so nothing critical is left out, because finer configuration determines recovery fidelity and storage use. You finish by launching the backup and watching its progress until completion. A successful status confirms files were uploaded. Once the backup finishes, test a restore to another device or a small subset of data so you know recovery works. This step prevents surprises during a real restore. If something goes wrong, make sure storage isn't full and revoke, then regrant Google permissions. Often resetting sync or reinstalling Google One fixes stubborn permission or connectivity errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.